Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up split URL that work across multiple pages. So if you want to set up a URL mapping that matches the following site.com slash product1 into site.com slash new path, site.com slash new path, product1, product2, and etc. You can do that very easily in just 10 seconds with Mida. Let me show you how. So with Mida, all you needed to do to redirect everything to a new path, you can just set it up like this. So from site.com and everything, and that will redirect to site.com slash path and everything. It will just map everything behind to here. So right here, you can also preview the link saying that, okay, so if someone have reached this page, site.com slash nothing, and this is where they will be redirected to. Okay, so if they have reached to the page of product 1, okay, and they will be redirected to site.com slash new path slash product 1. And if you would like to redirect with all the query string as well, you can just turn this on. I hope that helps.